What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a TikTok thumbnails and also put a title text on your video. Let's go right into it. Click on the plus button right here, just click on it. Then come to upload. Then click on the video you want to upload. We're going to use this video right here. Then click on next. So we're going to click on next again. So we're going to come up here that says select a cover. Click on it. Now automatically TikTok creates a thumbnail out of your video. So you can choose which side of your video you want to use as your thumbnail. You want to use the car? Do you want to use the horses? Okay, this is the car. This is the horses. Oh no, this is right here. Okay, right here. Or do you want to use the footstep? So you can see you can choose different part of your video you think that will attract people to your video. See? So this is a great way that you can attract more people to your video by choosing something that will attract them to it. And also underneath you can put a text on it. Now this text disappears immediately the video starts playing. That's the good thing about it. Now let me tell you how they'll look, how the text look like when you want to use them. Now click on the standard. So the standard is only a text with no background. So let's put something here. Okay, and let's click done. You notice automatically it resizes the text. So I'm going to come down here and click on all of them, show you how they will appear on your video. This is how this looks like. This. Now, part of the reasons why you want to choose a text for your video is so that one, you're giving the people an idea what the video is about. You can give them a catchy title, and also it's also good in SEO, in optimizing your video. Now, because the title you put on your video, if somebody is searching for it, the person will be able to see, will be able to see your video. So that's it. You can see the different type of designs that you can use, and you can also resize the text. So when I click on it, my two fingers, I can increase it, reduce it, I can bring it down or take it up. If you notice here, there's a dark line right here, and also underneath here. I think that shows where the text should be. Okay, let's resize it and put it right here. So once you click on save, so look at it. I think it's much better in the center, so let me put it in the center. Yeah, much better. Then click on save, and that's it. Now you can then upload the video by clicking on upload. So you can see the video has been uploaded.
YouTube wants more. What you can do to get followers like.
So now the video has been uploaded, but you didn't see the title, right? So come over here to your profile. Take note that the text will not appear on the video while the video is on the For You page. Only when they come into your profile they will see the text on all your videos that you have put them on. But once they come into your profile, they can then see the title on your video. And you can see once they click on it, it disappears. If you like this video and you like more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye.